Hi, welcome back. We're going to do a short clip of one of the themes I've already done, Dr. Seuss. And I brought some books that I like by Dr. Seuss. In that episode we did Green Eggs and Ham. I have 1, 2, 3 by Dr. Seuss. One Fish, Two Fish, Red Fish, Blue Fish. And oh, the places we'll go. So, these are just some of the ones I have, and I really like Dr. Seuss because with the books, they have silly words and they're fun for kids. So we did Green Eggs and Ham, and I changed my voice a little bit. So I'm going to do that again, and I'm just going to do that activity. But we'll do Oh, the Places We'll Go. You'll Go by Dr. Seuss. Congratulations! Today is your day. You're off to great places. You're off and away. You have brains in your head. You have feet in your shoes. You can stretch yourself any direction you choose. You're on your own, and you'll know what you know. And you are the guy who'll decide where to go. You'll look up and down the streets. Look 'em over with care. About some you will say, I don't choose to go there. With your head full of brains and your shoes full of feet, you too smart to go down any not so good street. And you may not find any you'll want to go down. In that case, of course, you'll head straight out of town. It's opener there in the wide open air. Out there things can happen, and frequently do, to people as brainy and footsy as you. And when things start to happen, don't worry, don't stew, just go right along. You'll start happening too. Oh, the places you'll go. You'll be on your way up. You'll be seeing great sights. You'll join the high flyers who soar to high heights. You'll lag behind because you'll have the speed. You'll pass the whole gang, and you'll soon take the lead. Wherever you fly, you'll be best of the best. Wherever you go, you will top all the rest. Except when you don't, because sometimes you won't. I'm sorry to say, but sadly it's true. The bang-ups and hang-ups can happen to you. You can get all hung up in a prickly perch, and your gang will fly on. You'll be left in the lurch. So, I'm only going to read some. When you're doing books with children, it's good to change your voice. It's good to do puppets. It's good to use books that have tape recordings. Anything, and change your facial expressions. Anything you can keep the kids to be interested within the book and have them sit longer is awesome. And I personally love Dr. Seuss. A lot of tongue twisters in the books sometimes, but the kids really enjoy them. In our first episode, we did Dr. Seuss, so this is group time, reading a book to the children. I hope you guys enjoyed that, and I hope that's a little more helpful. I will post these books in my description, or in the video, so you guys can see them. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks.